We actually have a little bit of clearance on this side, more than I thought we were gonna have. What is up, guys? How's it going? Today is going to be a back to normal type of video. Actually, we'll be working on the vehicle. I got my oldest here, Jackson. You wanna say hi? Say hi.
Hi.
Anyways, so hopefully, and I mean hopefully, based off this other one we have over here, it's on the ground, we should have the right part right here. Everything looks good. Everything's lining up with this one. Hopefully we can get it unboxed, or unpackaged I should say, and get it all cut open and look at it to make sure everything's right. If it is, gonna be going in there, and we should be able to drive this thing again, hopefully. Alright guys, so you guys are a little bit at an awkward angle. You're really high up. You're actually sitting in the door handle of my truck right now. But anyways, we have my knife, we got my son, and we're gonna open this up and see what it looks like in here. So, go ahead and do it. Watch your hand.
Wow, it's
So, just a difference I can see so far, guys, between this one and the other one. This one is a lot thicker than the other one, and I'm talking like circumference-wise of this bar itself. It's a lot thicker. So, try to get this as good as possible. So, this one can, but just looking at this one, they are the right parts. We actually got all brand new hardware. That's new mounts for it, new sway bar end links, and all the parts that go to that stuff. So, okay, so I was right. I've never used this, but again, based off what the directions say on the back, you're supposed to lube up the inside of this. So I'm not sure how much to use on this, so I'm just going to use a good little bit. Put it in here. I'm just going to use my finger to get it all around and in there. Actually, guys, I don't even know if I showed you that in another video. So, right here on both sides. So, this is where it goes. Put this part around here. Maybe. One way or another, we're gonna get it up here. Back up, Jackson.
I don't want to.
The camera's gotta see this stuff, bud.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
Hang on, let me move it over for a second.
It doesn't need to be moved over, bud.
There we go. Now I can see.
Jackson, back up, please.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I'm gonna go get the impact and everything to get this side done, and then we'll get the other side done. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get these two snug up in here. Yep. Get the second bolt and try to make sure we can get it up in here the right way and all snug up.
Daddy, you have to leave hard.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Go from back here, guys. Keep rolling down here, sorry. Alright, that's actually be able to go back over here to this side. And then we'll slowly just make sure things. Alright. So that side's on, then we'll go here to the other side and make sure this side's on. Alright guys, so I have all this stuff. Hopefully I get it done the right way. And it's gonna go just like every other time between that and into this, and I'm hoping I can get it the right way. So that being said, let's try and attempt to see if we can do this. Hopefully all this stuff works out the right way. That and that. So I'm gonna put one like that. One down over that. And then alright guys, real quick, we do have both sides done, and I already have the tire on this side. I don't know if it's the frame that's bent or what, but this side's already looking again like it's not going to fit whenever I go to turn this thing. And I'm almost down to the point where if this doesn't work, I'm just going to say screw it. I'm taking these tie rods off, and I'm going to go back down to some factory tie rods to where I know it's going to work and turn the right way. But we'll deal with that in here in a second. But I'm going to get this tire on and set everything down, and we're going to see what goes on. So yeah. Alright guys, so we have the truck turned on, we have the steering wheel turned all the way over here as far as we can go without holding the steering wheel to the side. It is better, but I still don't like, it's still not as good as I would like it. I would like it to have good clearance just like the other side does. Like I said, it is better, but we still have issue, and I think it rubbed right here still, and I can definitely feel it back here still. What feels like it could be rubbing at full, at complete lock. So I don't know. It definitely looks better though, I'll tell you that. But I'll show you here in a second the other side whenever it's at lock out the other way. Like I said, I like it a lot whenever it's over here. This is what I want. I don't know if I'm actually gonna be able to get it. This is locked, this other side. And still, you got all that clearance. You got all that clearance on this side, but you don't have that clearance on the other side. So, my only other thought I had is I'm about to just say screw it, take off these tie rods. As much as I don't want to do that, I'm about to just say screw it, take them off, put some factory replacement ones back on, just like I did with the sway in link things, and say screw it and run it like that. But I also think because of these upper control arms and how beefy they are, I think I'm also gonna have to go and get some wheel spacers. I couldn't think of the name for them anyways. But anyways guys, yeah, definitely think I'm gonna have to get wheel spacers. I was thinking about getting them anyways, just to have like a little poke out of the wheels, you know, have them poking out a little bit of the truck, since I can't afford actual full-size wheels that actually will do that in the off set of everything. But anyways, yeah, I think that's what we might just say. I'm gonna take it and bring it out real fast to see if I can actually get it out of here. If I can, cool. If I can't, oh well, we'll just go back to factory replacement OEM stuff for tie rods and call it a day. At least then I can actually drive the truck, and we'll also get some wheel spacers too, just to make sure things. I'll probably just go ahead and buy those, just say screw it either way. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to pull the truck out real fast, and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, I'm sorry I didn't actually get to record this part, but we do have the truck up and out, as you can see. Plenty of clearance through on this side. I gotta tighten down the sway bar, inlays right there still. And I gotta tighten down the lug nuts on this side. But we're gonna go over here. Look at it on this side. Keep going. We actually have a little bit of clearance on this side, more than I thought we were gonna have. Good enough for me to work with, and if anything happens with this, I can always go back and just get the factory replacement ones. But I think what I'm gonna do, hold on, let me turn off this light. I think what we're gonna do is just run it like this for right now. I need to get some oil to put back in the oil, put back in the engine, because it is sitting a little lower than I want it to. It's like barely on the dipstick still. So we're gonna get some more oil. I got to, hello.
Hi.
We got to get.
I really want to press the horn.
Press the horn. Oh, I thought you were talking about the other one.
Oh, that one.
No. Anyways, so I'm gonna try to see if I can get a refurbished ABS module or something else. I don't know. Don't quit, honey. Quit. Good Lord. I'm gonna have to kick my wife out of here. Anyways, I think we're gonna try to get a refurbished or something type of ABS module, because I don't know if y'all can see that, but both the ABS light on and the brake light is on. And then I think I still am gonna go ahead with the wheel spacers just to make sure I have clearance on all four wheels. Little project of ours.
All I'm saying is I hope it's the last for a while.
I can't promise anything. If it was up to me,
like, with this being the major stuff that you need to do in order to have clearance and have this thing up and running, I hope this is the last for a while to where we can have it up and going.
me too, because we all just decided that we wanted to get our pool up and going this year, and with that, you can go and turn it off. That'll be a different video. Like I said, this channel is just whatever I feel like putting on this channel. So if there's stuff y'all don't like, I'm sorry, but this is how I do things. Most of the time, it will be stuff y'all can't even see. Most of the time, it will be stuff with my truck or with the car, which brings me to my other point. Sorry, this is the bad part about being ADHD. But yeah, I'm also thinking about, with the car, buying some lowering springs and getting some new wheels, getting a new front grille, getting some front skirts, side skirts, and a diffuser for the back, and then possibly trying to find like a decent little wing for it. Just, you know, touch up little touches that, you know, make it my car, make it special to me, like I've already been doing with the truck. But yeah, anyways, well, this is gonna do it for this video, guys. If you like this little simple thing of me doing this, hopefully y'all did, because Lord knows I didn't. Again, still learning all this stuff, so it took me an extra hour and a half, 2 hours I think, to do all this, unlike a normal person would probably have taken like 15-20 minutes maybe. But anyways, like I always say, guys, if you have passion, you have dreams, follow those. Like always, follow those. They will lead you to great things. And also the thing is too, for me, I don't know how much here in the coming future I'll be posting. I'm trying to find a actual mechanic job so I can learn more about working on vehicles. I applied to a couple different places, so not only will I have the experience here at home, but I'm also going to try to be getting a job to where I can actually do the stuff to where I have more experience and hands-on, so I can get stuff done faster for everything, to make, hopefully make this video, the videos better for the channel. But yeah, the other thing I was going to ask too, what do y'all think about this? I think I should paint this chrome, just this part, top and bottom of this mesh part. I think I should paint it black to mix it in with this. And I have a LED emblem on its way to put on here so it lights up at night. And I still really want to get some rock lights or some type of lights for the underneath parts of the truck, just to light it up a little bit. You know, again, just little things that make it mine. If y'all ain't into that, that's fine, but I am. I like LED stuff. I think it looks really cool, and my brain finds it really cool. So again, guys, like I said, always follow your dreams, stick to doing what you're doing. Time and consistency matters. And with that being said, I'm out. Y'all are the best. Peace.